Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments in the comment section. It's important that you click the bell sign to enable you get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you for being part of this fun channel. Welcome to the arena. We'll keep on giving you whispers from the people's arena. That's why this channel is probably different from all other channels. We'll tell you things the way they are and tell you how the people feel each time about what is going on around the world, in Africa, especially in Nigeria. I sincerely thank some of you who have subscribed to this channel. Remember to share the video and tell your friends about this channel. Truth is difficult, especially in a place where honesty is not valued. That's why sometimes people shy away from saying the truth. But people like us who have to be on it, say it the way it is. Even if it's 1% that cherish and value the truth, they will always appreciate what we are doing here. So once again, welcome to my channel. This is Chris Diggers. Today I wanted to delve into the Soludo, the governor-elect of Anambra State, the challenges ahead of him, and all other rumors surrounding his emergence and how he's going to take up the challenge of leadership. But each time you get up each morning, you see a tweet from this famous son of Igbo land, Joe Igbo. He is a special advisor to one of the governors in the southwest of Nigeria. And he's quite outspoken. Unfortunately, his house was burnt by suspected, I think, IPOB members or Eastern Security Network established by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. The reason is not far from being first. They felt probably he is outspoken against some of the going-ons in the southeast of Nigeria. So each time you wake up, you see his tweet. It's about another arson, another killing, another maiming in the southeast. And the question I ask each time is this still in the name of Biafra? Is this still in the name of Biafra? And that reminds me of this famous song. I think Psalm, for some of you who are Christians, or some of you love reading, Psalm 137 of the Holy Book, the Bible. When the people in captive were approached by their captors and they were asked to sing the song of Zion, and they asked, how can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? As we await the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, the question is, what next? Going by the activities of the unknown gunmen, killing and maiming every day, killing prominent sons and daughters of Igbo land. How can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Who are the captors now? Who are the captives? Is it not the second enslavement? If we are complaining that we are being marginalized by the North, what has the killing, the carnage in the Southeast got to do with other parts of the country? How can you cut your nose to spite your face? So that's why I remember that song. How can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? This time around, how can you talk about Biafra in our graves? How many people have we lost? Have we lost? When you think about all the freedom fighting movements around the world, I keep on referring to the Black Panthers that was formed in Oakland in the 60s. How many times did they turn on their people to start killing them? The Biafra that we are talking about, is that how we're going to rule the people? No democracy? Anybody who has disagreement will kill the person. Anybody who has a different view will kill the person. Who is doing this and for how long? Yesterday, I read on the news that Governor Dave Umahi said that he's negotiating with the president of Nigeria on the release of Nnamdi Kanu. I say good moves. Ohanaeze was also talking about that. Good news. I know some people have taken to the flank to say, ignore him, that he's not doing anything. That is okay. The important thing is not really who is negotiating for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. The question is, what next? What has come over Southeast? What monster has Nnamdi Kanu created? People may not like to hear the truth. But Joe Igbo draw my attention to the fact that Igbos are known to be heroes. Igbos are known to be respectful of elders. They are known for their core values. They are not known for a people who pride to be better than others. But their policy is always live and let live. That's why you see them all over the world, all over Nigeria, doing their businesses. Their own is give them a conducive grant to do their business. So now, if you achieve or we get this Biafra that everybody is talking about, let's go with you for a minute. Is that how Biafra will be ruled or governed? No democracy. No tolerance for divergent views. What monster, if we are to ask, has Nnamdi Kanu created in Igbo land? Whether he will be remembered as a hero or as a villain is left for history to decide. How can we go on like this? Businesses have been destroyed in the Southeast. Lives have been lost, especially that of our youth and prominent Igbo leaders. Is this still in the name of Biafra? Is it still in the interest of the Southeast? And our leaders are busy galvanizing, talking about presidency of Southeast extraction. Is presidency the problem of the Southeast? Or is it being pursued for the selfish interest of a few? If you get that presidency, is it over dead bodies? Will Nnamdi Kanu come out to still march on the streets of London for dead bodies? If our youth have been educated, if only our leaders have done what they are supposed to do, they will not be chasing shadows. I've wanted to see a time that the Southeast political elite will come together, irrespective of the party affiliations, to call a security summit to address the insecurity challenges in the Southeast. I've not seen that. Common sense approach can solve this problem. We can even verify these people doing this. Is this still in the name of Biafra? Are they really from Southeast? Or do we have foreigners perpetuating these killings in the Southeast? Nobody cares. We are talking about presidency. Presidency over dead bodies. Presidency when, apart from Ebonyi State, that has stopped every Monday sit at home. Do you know the economic loss that the Southeast of Nigeria has suffered? And you see the youths, each time Nnamdi Kanu is appearing or is supposed to attend his constituents, you see them singing the famous Enugu Rangers anthem. I remember in those days we used to sing Enugu Rangers another champion, and they are singing Nnamdi Kanu another champion. You look at these youths, you say, how did we get here? Today, Nnamdi Kanu's brother on the news, saying that Nigeria should learn from Ukraine experience, giving them 48 hours to stop whatever he said that was going on in the southeast, or people will take to arms. I hope you lead that armed struggle from Nigeria, not in UK. I hope you do what the president of Ukraine is doing when you are declaring armed struggle, that you lead it. What are our elites doing? Glorifying people that should not be glorified. And nobody is saying the truth. Nobody is speaking a language that this youth will hear. This is how Boko Haram started in the Northwest. And they said you are protesting Western education. Look at the poverty in the northern part of Nigeria. When it started like a joke. Little attention was paid to it, apart from the attention paid by the former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo. I don't see a clear future or a clear path in the southeast. What we are sowing today, I hope will be alive to repeat. A stitch in time saves 9. We have to sit up, or there will be no future for our children. This is Open Whispers. Kindly remember to subscribe. Leave your comments below. And join us on Instagram, on Twitter, Open Whispers. God bless you. Thank you.